Welcome to Antigua, Guatemala, a city where magic and history blend on every cobblestone street. Here, every step you take feels like walking through a living storybook, where the past and present intertwine seamlessly. The city's charm is immediate, wrapping you in a sense of wonder from the moment you arrive. Picture vibrant buildings in yellows, blues, and reds, with flowers spilling from balconies. Each facade tells its own tale, painted in colors that seem to glow under the Guatemalan sun. The streets are alive with bursts of bougainvillea and the gentle hum of daily life, creating a feast for the eyes at every turn. Antigua isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a living postcard nestled in the heart of Central America. The city's beauty is timeless, with every rooftop and archway echoing centuries of stories. It's a destination that captures your heart and imagination, inviting you to linger and explore. Around every corner, beauty awaits. Hidden courtyards overflowing with lush greenery, ancient churches standing as silent witnesses to history, and the irresistible scent of flowers and fresh coffee drifting through the air. Cafes spill onto the sidewalks, inviting you to pause and soak in the atmosphere, while the gentle ringing of church bells marks the passage of time. The people here are warm, always ready with a smile, making you feel instantly at home. Vendors greet you with friendly hellos, and locals are eager to share their stories and traditions. Their hospitality is genuine, and their pride in their city is contagious. Antigua invites you to slow down, to walk, look, and listen, to truly connect with your surroundings. Stroll at your own pace along the cobblestone streets, where every corner reveals a new discovery. Listen to the laughter of children playing, the distant strum of a guitar, and the soft chatter of friends gathered in plazas. The city sits in a valley, watched over by three majestic volcanoes, Agua, Fuego, and Acatenango. These giants are more than just a backdrop, they are guardians of the city, shaping its landscape and its spirit. Their presence is felt everywhere, reminding you of nature's power and beauty. These volcanoes are ever present, changing with the light, sometimes shrouded in clouds, sometimes standing bold against the sky. At sunrise and sunset, they glow with fiery colors, creating breathtaking views that linger in your memory long after you leave. Their moods shift with the weather, adding a sense of drama and wonder to every day. Nature and history coexist here, in perfect harmony. Ivy and wildflowers climb over centuries-old ruins, while birds sing from the branches of ancient trees. The city's parks and gardens are peaceful retreats, offering quiet moments to reflect and recharge. Antigua is more than just a pretty place. It's a city that inspires and transforms. Climb a volcano for sunrise, learn to make chocolate from cacao beans, or savor world-class coffee brewed by passionate baristas. Every experience here is an invitation to engage, to learn, and to grow. This is a journey for all your senses, sights, tastes, and sounds of a vibrant culture. Sample traditional dishes bursting with flavor, listen to the rhythms of street musicians, and lose yourself in the colors and textures of the bustling markets. Antigua's culture is alive, inviting you to be a part of it. Pack your bags and open your mind. Bring your curiosity and your sense of adventure, because Antigua promises surprises at every turn. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, this city welcomes you with open arms. The adventure of a lifetime is waiting for you in Antigua, Guatemala. Let's begin our journey together and discover the magic that makes this city truly unforgettable. Antigua's skyline is dominated by its guardians, three mighty volcanoes. These ancient sentinels have watched over the city for centuries, shaping not only the landscape, but also the spirit of the people who call this place home. Volcán de Agua, a perfect cone, stands to the south, often framed by the city's iconic arch. Its presence is both calming and majestic, a silent protector that looms over Antigua's cobblestone streets and colorful facades. To the west, Acatenango and Fuego rise side by side, their peaks often shrouded in mist. These twin giants are a constant reminder of the raw power that lies beneath the Earth's surface. Fuego, true to its name, is one of Central America's most active volcanoes. Its eruptions are both awe-inspiring and humbling, sending plumes of ash and fire high into the sky, visible for miles around. You don't need to climb to feel their power, just look up from any rooftop terrace. The volcanoes are always present, their silhouettes etched against the horizon, reminding everyone of nature's grandeur. As night falls, Fuego's eruptions light up the sky, a natural fireworks show. The glowing lava and bursts of light create a spectacle that captivates locals and visitors alike, turning the darkness into a canvas of fiery wonder. Each volcano has its own personality. Agua is calm and green, its slopes covered in lush vegetation and coffee farms. It offers a sense of tranquility, a gentle giant that nurtures life on its fertile flanks. Acatenango is tall and challenging, drawing adventurers from around the world to climb its steep trails. From its summit, you can witness the drama of Fuego's eruptions up close, an experience that leaves a lasting impression. And Fuego is wild and untamed, unpredictable and fierce. Its constant activity is a reminder that the earth is alive, always changing, always moving. The people of Antigua respect these giants. They shape the land, enrich the soil, and inspire art and life. Farmers rely on the mineral-rich earth for their crops, while artists find endless inspiration in the dramatic scenery. The volcanoes are woven into daily life, appearing on postcards, in paintings, and in the hearts of locals. Their images are everywhere, a symbol of both beauty and resilience. Living in their shadow is humbling, a reminder of nature's power and beauty. Every day, the people of Antigua coexist with these forces, finding harmony and inspiration in their presence. In Antigua, the Earth's heartbeat is never far away. It pulses beneath your feet, in the rumble of distant eruptions, and in the breathtaking views that greet you at every turn. Want to get close to a volcano? Start with Pacaya, one of Guatemala's most inviting giants. Just a short drive from Antigua, this iconic volcano rises above the landscape, its slopes promising adventure for all ages. The hike is accessible and welcoming, perfect for families, beginners, or anyone looking for a gentle introduction to volcano trekking. You can choose to walk at your own pace or hop on a horse for a relaxing ride up the well-maintained trails, making the journey as easy or as challenging as you like. Pacaya is an active volcano, but it's known for its approachable nature. While you'll see smoke and steam rising from its crater, the experience is safe and thrilling, offering just the right amount of excitement without feeling intimidating. As you ascend, the scenery transforms dramatically, from vibrant green forests filled with birdsong to stark black volcanic rock fields. It's like stepping onto another planet where every step reveals a new and fascinating landscape shaped by ancient eruptions. Along the way, knowledgeable local guides share captivating stories about Pacaya's eruptions and point out unique rock formations, helping you connect with the volcano's powerful history and geology. The highlight for many? Roasting marshmallows over the volcano's natural steam vents. It's a one-of-a-kind experience, nature's own campfire, where you can savor a sweet treat cooked by the earth itself. After your adventure, you'll find yourself smiling alongside fellow hikers, sharing stories and snapping photos with Pacaya's dramatic backdrop, a memory you'll cherish long after your boots leave the trail. For an extra touch of magic, choose a sunrise or sunset tour. The evening light paints the sky in breathtaking colors, and if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of glowing lava lighting up the dusk. Hiking Pacaya is more than just a walk, it's an unforgettable introduction to the volcanic heart of Guatemala, where adventure and wonder go hand in hand. So, are you ready to take your first step into this world of fire and beauty? Pacaya is waiting to welcome you. For true adventurers, the Acatenango trek is the ultimate challenge. This overnight hike takes you to the summit of Central America's third highest volcano. The climb is tough, steep trails, changing forests, and high altitude, but the reward is unforgettable. Camping above the clouds, with a front-row seat to Fuego's eruptions. As night falls, Fuego comes alive. Lava fountains light up the darkness every 15 to 20 minutes. The rumble and glow are mesmerizing, a raw display of Earth's power. After a cold night, you'll summit Acatenango at dawn, watching the sunrise over Guatemala and its volcanoes. The descent is swift, and you return to Antigua exhausted but exhilarated. Few experiences compare to witnessing the Earth's fire and stars from Acatenango's heights. Antigua is a feast for the senses, and the food is unforgettable. Try pepián, Guatemala's national dish, a rich, spicy stew served with rice and tortillas. Chiles rellenos, sweet peppers stuffed with meat and veggies, battered and fried, showcase local creativity. Coffee here is world-class, grown in volcanic soil and roasted to perfection. Visit a coffee farm to see the process from bean to cup, and taste the difference. Chocolate is another local treasure. join a workshop to make your own, just as the Mayans did. In Antigua, every meal is a journey through history and tradition. For authentic, affordable food, seek out the Commodores, family-run eateries beloved by locals. These simple spots serve daily menus: soup, a hearty main, rice, beans, salad, and a drink, all for a few dollars. Eating at a Commodore is more than a meal. It's a window into Guatemalan life. The atmosphere is friendly, the portions generous, and the recipes passed down through generations. Don't worry if your Spanish isn't perfect. A smile goes a long way. To find the best Commodores, wander away from the tourist center and look for busy spots filled with locals. This is the real taste of Guatemala. Honest, delicious, and unforgettable. Getting to Antigua is simple. Fly into Guatemala City, then take a shuttle or taxi an hour to town. The journey is scenic, winding from city to mountains. Visit during the dry season, November to April, for sunny days and clear volcano views. The rainy season, May to October, brings lush landscapes and fewer tourists. Antigua is best explored on foot. Wear comfy shoes for the cobblestones. For longer trips, hop in a tuk-tuk, but always agree on the fare first. Antigua is generally safe, but use common sense. Stick to busy areas at night and keep valuables secure. Always hike volcanoes with a licensed guide. With a little planning, your trip to Antigua will be smooth and memorable. Antigua is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famed for its colonial architecture and dramatic history. Once the capital of Spanish Central America, the city was nearly destroyed by earthquakes in 1773. Many grand churches and convents were left in ruins, now hauntingly beautiful reminders of the past. Walk through open-air cathedrals and crumbling convents where history feels alive. These ruins aren't sad, they're peaceful, resilient, and full of stories. After disaster, locals rebuilt among the ruins, preserving the city's unique colonial style. Antigua is a living city, where vibrant culture thrives within ancient walls. Here, history isn't just in museums, it's all around you. Antigua is the perfect base for exploring Guatemala's wonders. Take a day trip to Lake Atitlán, often called the world's most beautiful lake, ringed by volcanoes and Mayan villages. Or visit the vibrant Chichicastenango market, a riot of color and culture. For something whimsical, head to Hobbitenango, an eco-park with Hobbit-style houses and panoramic views. Whether you crave adventure, history, or relaxation, Antigua delivers. This city welcomes every traveler, offering moments you'll never forget. The world is waiting. Start your next chapter in Antigua.